Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload off-the-shelf tunes on your OpenFlash tablet. So the first thing you will want to do is go to the OpenFlash website and click on the download button. The next step is to download the OpenFlash Manager and install that to your computer. Now this prompt here will depend on your computer whether you have Microsoft Visual C+ installed or not. If you do have it installed, you can go ahead and skip this by closing it or install it, which I highly recommend since it is needed by the program in order to run properly. As you guys can see, I already have my tablet plugged in and went ahead and ran the OpenFlash Manager. And what this will do in the initial setup is to identify your tablet and then install updates available for your OpenFlash tablet. So in my case, this update did take a while, so don't be afraid to give it some time. Once that's done, you can go ahead and go back to the website to download the off-the-shelf tunes, which for my case will be the version 4.01. If you guys do want to run the older tunes, feel free to do so because in the making of this video, the version 4.01 tunes were still in beta stage mode, meaning they were still being tested on. After downloading the file, you can go ahead and drag that into your desktop since we're going to be needing that later on. Alright, so the next step is to go to the Upload tab on the OpenFlash Manager. Now again, before uploading the tunes to the tablet, I do recommend reading and backing up the ECU of your car first. Now in my case, I have already read my ECU, so my OpenFlash tablet already has my car's information. This is crucial because you need to upload the right file for your car onto your OpenFlash tablet. Now this does take time, so don't be afraid to just sit back and relax and give it some more time. Now this is the important part, which is to match your CAL ID, which is right here, to the off-the-shelf tunes that you're going to be uploading. Now my car is a manual, so I'm going to go ahead and go to that manual folder. Once you're in here, you're going to be seeing folders with different tune stages. Stage 1 will be for cars with stock headers. Stage 2 will be for catted aftermarket headers. Stage 2 Plus will be for catless aftermarket headers. And Stage 2 Plus E85 is going to be for cars running ethanol. Now I am going to be looking at the Stage 2 Plus since I am running aftermarket headers and 91 octane. Now again, it's very important for you to match your CAL ID to the tunes that you're going to be uploading to your tablet. Now once you have that, you can go ahead and copy it and paste it to your desktop since we're going to be uploading that to the tablet. Now I am going to be uploading the E85 tune in my tablet because as soon as I run down my 91 octane, I will be flashing to E85. Again, just making sure that I do match the CAL ID to the tunes that I'm going to be uploading the tablet. Now to do that, all you got to do is scroll down, press the folder button, and find those two files that you're going to be uploading to your tablet. If you do get this checks in front, all you gotta do is press OK to that and you should be good to go. If you guys are wondering what that first one is, it is a stock tune file for your car, which can be used to flash it to stock anytime you want. Now again, you can upload up to 5 files depending on what you want for your car, because other files could include one with launch control, flat foot shifting, or even a tune for backfiring. Now uploading these tune files will take some time, so don't be scared to just give it some time and let it be. After that, you should be good to go. Now once that's done, you should be good to go and you can go ahead and flash those tunes into your car. Now one optional thing you guys could do is to back up the stock tune files onto your computer. To do that, you can go ahead and go to the download tab and wait for that to load up. Once that's done, you can go ahead and make a folder in your computer where you will be keeping that backup file. Make sure you do name that into something important so that you don't lose it in your computer. Once that's done, you can go ahead and click the save button and find the folder where you will be saving your stock tune files. And there you guys have it. If you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. If you guys don't mind, hopefully you guys can subscribe. Thanks for watching, good luck, and enjoy your car.